Hello friends, today I will ask mommy to make tomato soup. We have all the ingredients except black pepper and corn flour. So we will buy it from the local shop. Let's go. Now we are in the shop. Now just wait for the shop to open. Now we have the corn flour and black pepper. Now we are back. Now let's make the tomato soup. Here are the ingredients. The ingredients are chopped tomatoes, some chopped garlic, chopped coriander, ketchup, butter, salt, corn flour and black pepper. We will add the butter and chopped garlic and then microwave it for 1 minute. Butter, chopped garlic, okay, put it in the microwave. Yes, now set it to 1 minute.
Start.
Yes, let's start. Okay, 59 to 58. It's been 1 minute. Now let's add the chopped tomato. Okay. Now let's add the tomato ketchup. Now let's add the black pepper and the salt. Now let's mix it. We will add half cup of water, and then microwave it for 5 to 6 minutes. Okay. Okay. Start. Yes, start. This step is done. Now we will add water, which is mixed by corn flour. 1 cup. Okay. Yes, now let's mix it. We will microwave this for 4 to 5 minutes at 720 watts. Okay. Stop. Okay. Cook mode. Okay. 180, 360, 550, yes, 720 watts. Okay. Start. Okay. Okay. Let's start it. Now the soup is ready. Now let's cool it and strain it. The tomato soup is cool. Now let's strain it. The soup is ready now. Let's garnish it with coriander leaves. Garnish. The soup is ready. Now I will taste the soup. Out of 10. Okay? You can serve the soup with crisp bread. Let me try to dip the crisp bread. Okay. 8 out of 10. Tastes better when you dip the crisp bread into the soup. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe. Bye bye.